Hello guys, my hope is that you've been well. My name is Ivan Ngure. I'm a creator. I create artwork from found objects or trash, like the ones that you can see on your screen. And like anything else in this world, there is always waste. Everybody has waste. And also in my line of work, I have waste. And I decided a long time ago to be separating my waste so that I have the grading of cartons, plastics, copper, brass, aluminium, and any other categorization of waste. So that the pieces that I cannot use, then I sell them to get a coin that I can, even use to buy credit or to load up my electricity. So today I'm here to tell you how you can sort your waste and where and how much you will fetch for your waste. Stay tuned to learn more. All right, so I'm going to start with brass. As you can see, I've labeled it brass scraps. So I put them in a small tin because they are not a lot. So mostly these are from the wires that I use to make jewelry and artwork. And also I tend to mix brass and copper together because copper is very rare to find and is the most expensive when you sell it. So brass will fetch you around 400 shillings a kg, while copper will fetch you 600 shillings because it's rare and it's more valuable. Up next I have heavy iron. So these are scraps, bits and pieces. I'll probably not throw this all away. This is just for just demonstration. But it's the small pieces that I cut, that I pile them up, and when I get enough kg, then I can sell them off. So this will fetch me around 50 shillings per kg. Aluminium scraps. I've been using aluminium sheets recently in my work, and some of these I'll not use again. Some of them are also araldite epoxy tubes. So aluminium will fetch you between 180 and 200 shillings per kg. So just make sure that once you, when you are ready to sell, which is you have enough kgs, maybe 1 or 2, that's only when you sell. But if you have in grams, then there is no point selling. Just keep collecting. The waste from cartons I get from my packaging. When I'm packaging, I cut little bits of pieces away like this. And I can sell this off and they can be reused. They can be remade into toilet paper rolls or other carton boxes to package again. So a kilogram of carton will get you 10 shillings. Plastics. My plastic waste is mainly from home and also from studio. So these are some of the things that I don't use. Like these are scraps from a laptop that I'll not use, and also lids from margarine, a broken cup, bits and pieces. So of course, even this I have to collect over time so that I have the right kgs to sell. So a kilogram of plastic waste will get you 30 shillings. My hope is that you learned something new today about how to sort and, most importantly, where to sell your waste. The information I'm providing on where to sell your waste is largely local, but I'm sure wherever you are in the world, you will always find a place to sell your waste, as waste is a big business. Locally, you can sell old newspapers in supermarkets. They buy 1 kilogram at 50 shillings. And for this other waste that I've mentioned, you can find spots in your neighborhood where they do collection and purchase of this waste. If you live in the upper areas of Nairobi, you can sell your waste at total petrol stations where once you take your waste, they give you points that you can use to fuel your car. You can take old cartons, old plastic, or any other waste. I'm going to be linking the Total link so that you see how to go about it. Personally, I sell my plastics and cartons around where I work, which is in Githurai 45, because those are bulky, so I don't want to carry them long distances, and it will not make economic sense for me to take transport, then get a little, return on them. But for my copper, brass, and aluminium waste, I'll sell them in Ngara. So if I have the right amount and I'm going into town, there I get the best rates. Remember, you can read all about the rates, the current rates, which is an estimation because different places have different rates of how they purchase, but that is thereabout. So guys, my hope is that you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, consider subscribing, share with your friends, and my hope is that you will start sorting your waste for a better world and also selling your waste so that you get something small in return instead of just dumping it into the trash bin. Guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.